Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was inspired by a meme that I saw actually. So do you remember back when the take her swimming on the first date kind of thing was a whole meme? Well, I saw one that was just like, oh, I can't believe she's such a catfish. I met her in person and she didn't have blue butterflies on her face. So I decided to make that a reality. I'm not a catfish. I have blue butterflies on my face. So if you want to know how I created this Snapchat filter with makeup today, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm actually going to start off with the face today, so first I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of my ColourPop No Filter Foundation. And blend it out using my Morphe M439 brush. Going to conceal the highest areas of my face using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe M173 brush. While we're here, I'm going to use that same brush to prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Now I'm going to set where we just concealed, including my eyelids, using my Morphe E48 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe M527 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now I'm going to lightly contour using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. I'm going to carry out my nose contour into my eyelids a little bit to just add some more shadows. Now I'm going to apply some of my ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Holiday using my M405 brush. Similar to my e-girl look, I'm going to be applying quite a bit of it and including it on my nose today. Alright, now with two different colored liquid lipsticks, I'm going to be using the shade Romance Me and Hooked on Love by NYX, and a little nail dotting tool. I'm going to try to make some fake freckles. I'm making a few dots. I can't even tell if you can see them, but there. I'm making a few dots and then I am tapping over it with my finger because that picks up some of the excess product and makes some other freckles as well as tone down the ones that were already there first. Okay, that was enough of Romance Me. Now I'm going to switch to Hooked on Love, which is a darker brown. So I just pulled up a picture of the butterfly emoji, and now that I'm looking at it close up, I see that there are some red dots in the bottom wings, and I think that is really cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to incorporate that today. I think I'm just going to do white dots because those are easier to see and they stand out more, but I thought that was really cool. I never noticed that before. So to first create the outline of the butterfly, I'm going to use my M250-1 brush and my BH Cosmetics white concealer, like always, and I'm going to fill in my butterfly with this concealer as well to give the shadows a nice light base. So first I'm going to make two lines for the body on both sides of my cheeks. Alright, now I'm going to make the shape of the wings. Okay, I'm proud of that. I cannot draw butterflies for the life of me, so the fact that I was able to do half of one, I'm very proud of myself. Let's hopefully be able to do the other one side and then the other whole butterfly after this. Whew. Alright, now I'm going to attempt to do this to the other side. I'll be right back. Okay, here are my butterflies. I'm very happy with them. Now I'm going to trace over them using black, and I'm going to fill the body in with black as well and do some antenna, whatever. This is giving me so much anxiety. I'm going to make the outer corners of the top wing and the bottom wing a little bit thicker with the black outline, just to make it look more like the emoji and more like three-dimensional. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and or the other butterfly, and I will be right back. Alright, I made them as even as I could. Now I'm going to start filling them in with the blue eyeshadow. I'm going to use Playground from the James Charles X Morphe palette and begin shading in the outsides and working my way inwards. Now I'm going to take Flashback and mix that in a little bit with the blue and add that towards the center. I'm going to use the shade, I think it's called Brother, the darker blue right under Playground, and add that on the outer corners. Now I'm going to add some little white dots inside of the wings, just on that black part on the outside, using the same nail dotting tool I used to create the freckles. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Lip in the shade Exquisite, and I am going to overline my lips as well, just like I did in my e-girl look. Now in the center of my lips, to make them look a little bit larger because that filter does make your lips look rather big, I'm going to put the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lip in the shade Silk Indulgent. For the eyes, I'm going to do just a very simple look. I'm just going to do some eyeliner and then make my waterline white, just because that will open up my eyes and just make them look more doll-like. Plus, I just watched a tutorial by Rico Nasty, and she did that, and I like her a lot, so I'm gonna copy her. Lastly, for highlight, I'm going to use Gumdrop and Butterscotch from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit on my Morphe M501 brush. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!